Structure and uses of DDT. DDT or dichlorofenyl trichloroethane is a compound with the formula C4H9C12. Under standard condition for temperature and pressure, this chemical compound exists as a colorless and tasteless crystalline solid. Next, properties of DDT. The chemical formula of dichlorodiphenyl trichloroethane is C14H9Cl5. The molar mass of this compound is 354.48 gram per mole. Under standard condition, the density of this compound is roughly equal to 1 gram per cubic centimeter. The melting point of this compound is 108.5 degrees centigrade or 381.6 Kelvin. The boiling point of this compound is 260 degrees Celsius. DDT is very poorly soluble in water. Next, uses of DDT. Between the 1950s and 1980s, DDT was widely used in agriculture industry as an insecticide, and the use of DDT to control disease like typhus and malaria are not uncommon in the early 1940s. The primary application of this compound was therefore as an insecticide for the control of dangerous disease like malaria. Next, structure and uses of saccharin. Saccharin or benzothiazole 1,1,3-trione is a molecule that has found extensive use as an artificial sweetener. This is the structure of saccharin. Next properties. Saccharin and sodium salt of saccharin appear as odorless white crystals or crystalline powder. Its aqueous solution is neutral or sometimes alkaline to litmus paper. It effloresces in dry air. It has intensely sweet taste but bitter and metallic aftertaste. It is available in dry form, pellet, large crystal, solid form, and liquid form also. And it has odor. It is odorless or has faint aromatic odor. It is slightly soluble in benzene ethyl ether chloroform, and it is also soluble in acetone and ethanol. It is slightly soluble in deuterated dimethyl sulfoxide. Next application. Saccharin sodium is used as a sweetener in food production. It is also used as a sweetener in baked food, confectionery to improve sweetness, in candied food to improve sweetness, and in diabetic dietary to low sugar intake. It is also used in beverages as a sweetener. It is also used in soft drink, ice cream, and jelly to improve sweetness, and also used as sweetener in cosmetic and in toothpaste and mouthwash to improve taste. Structure and uses of BHC. BHC stands for benzene hexachloride. Any of several stereoisomers of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexachlorocyclohexane formed by the light-induced addition of chlorine to benzene. One of these isomers is an insecticide called lindane or gamma-hexane. This is structure of BHC, benzene hexachloride. Next, properties of benzene hexachloride. Formula of benzene hexachloride is C6H6Cl6. Molecular weight of BHC is 290.814 gram per mole, density 1.89 at 66 degree Fahrenheit, boiling point is 323 degrees centigrade and melting point 113 degrees centigrade. Uses of benzene hexachloride C6H6Cl6. Benzene hexachloride is used as an insecticide on crop in forestry for seed treatment. It is used in treatment of head and body lice. It is also used in pharmaceutical and used to treat scabies. Scabies is a skin infestation caused by a mite known as Sarcoptes scabies. It is a contagious disease and it is spread quickly through close physical contact in a family, school, and nursing home. It is also used in shampoo. Next, structural uses of chloramine. Chloramine T is an organic sodium salt derivative of toluene sulfonamide with a chloro substituent in place of an amino hydrogen. It has a role as an antifouling biocide and as a disinfectant and as an allergen. It contains a chloropara-toluene sulfonyl azanide. This is structure of chloramine shown on page. Next, properties. Chloramine is colorless to yellow liquid with a strong pungent odor. It is soluble in water, alcohol, and ether. It is also soluble in cold water, ether, very slightly soluble in carbon tetrachloride and benzene. Next, uses. Chloramine is also known as secondary disinfectant. Is a disinfectant used to treat drinking water. They are most commonly formed when ammonia is added to chlorine to treat drinking water. Chloramine have been used by water utilizers since the 1930s. More than 1 in 5 Americans uses drinking water treated with chloramines. Water then that contain chloramine and meet EPA regulatory standards is safe for use, especially for drinking, cooking, bathing, and other household uses. It provides longer lasting disinfection as the water moves through pipe to consumer.